want to start with breaking news.
That's right. A jury has reached a partial verdict in the trial for Malik Mungo. WMAR2 News' Abby Isaacs has been covering the case for us. She joins us now live from Towson with the very latest. Abby.
Well, the judge decided to accept that partial verdict after saying the jury appeared deadlocked on 8 of the 19 charges that Malik Mungo faced. The mistrial has to do with the 8 most serious charges: felony murder, second-degree murder, and robbery, all having to do with 27-year-old Sebastian Dvorak's murder in Canton 2 years ago. Now, Malik Mungo was found guilty on gun and drug charges, all charges that he admitted to in his own testimony when he took the stand earlier in this trial. The jury appeared to be deadlocked on these 8 charges since yesterday morning, when they wrote a note to the judge saying they didn't think any amount of deliberations would lead to a unanimous verdict on the 8 of 19 charges. Malik Mungo is charged with robbing and shooting Sebastian Dvorak 2 years ago in Canton. Dvorak's parents have been here all day, all week, all trial long, waiting to see if justice would be served for their son, and today they are very disappointed but hopeful.
Video was shown in court of my son struggling for his life for 30 minutes on the street, bleeding to death, with paramedics and police not sure what to do, not sure what was wrong with him reaching for his chest constantly, and not able to talk because so much blood was going through was bleeding internally. This is the crime we're here today for, which unfortunately the jury couldn't find a verdict for. And I do thank the jury for their time. I thank the Attorney General's office for all the work they've done in this case. I of course thank the detectives, but ultimately we know justice will be served in this case. And my hope is ultimately in God. That's my ultimate hope in all this. And that we can't build a society of hope and love without justice. It's required.
Mungo's defense attorney also addressed us a little bit earlier as well, and he said he's not surprised that there was a mistrial on 8 of these charges, and that Malik Mungo and his family are very anxious as they await the new trial. Now, a conference hearing has been set for middle of July, and that is when they will figure out when a sentencing hearing will be and talk about the next trial. Live at Baltimore County Circuit Court, Abby Isaacs, WMAR2 News.